instead of doing something bad in the village, do it in Lekki. More the very close to people about more than the modern, so about 2 seconds out to go in all this. And avoiding the Akogholi. I get here in also, they lead into bad things. I remember one of my cousins like that, a distant cousin, telling me that I could pluck people's corn as a perk of my living in the bush. In his words, Osimna, Ogwan Echekwa, Okandia, Buna, Ndi Mada de Ezie. So anyway, get Kalu for Kata. I just did look down, nigga. In this my home now, there was a guy who was doing well. Onyana Sizinana, all disappointing, man. He was doing well, he was on his way up. Nowadays, he gets beat up by youth. Youth now na Pia for robbing his father at knife point. Person we don't go abroad and shit. Cause where is he for now? Onye ma the 1 cup of corn no ufunne why we go kalo ta. The woman now can scream at the top of her lungs like this, call on her umwa that cuts down nigga ass like this now. Tell on saying go they steal until they set in ass ablaze. So don't stay around Akogholi energy. If I was in that my cousins, that my relatives energy level, I would have seen reason with him. Say me and I'm just doing now the reason on the same pattern. I would have seen reason with him and my life would have gone downhill. Akogholi is the reason people get into bad situations and it will manifest as people in your life, bad friends. It's why I don't blame people who do the ogwo of Akogholi. But my issue with it is that you should not go for quick fixes. You should learn to use your hand to pattern your lifestyle, to choose your lifestyle, be conscious about it, and choose the energies that you exude and the ones that you allow to come into your pool. Because using opioids to treat your pain will make you into a drug addict, into a low-key drug addict, right? Instead of hitting the gym to stress down muscle, you know what I'm saying? To stress down muscle and get stronger, you're getting weaker. On a final note, obviously, the Igbo justice system is the way forward. Alusi is the way forward, guy. Fuck around the chopper ASAP. I offer DBA consultancy solutions. Ask me about Alpha consultation. Ask me about rituals, about alignment with your spirit. Ask me what is the basics of spirituality. And usually use me for your ego. Bless.